Enjoy the good life at the Grovenor House with an uber-chic lifestyle and world-renowned location facing Biscayne Bay in Coconut Grove, one of the most coveted neighborhoods in the country. Totally remodeled with an impeccable sense of space and sophistication, this 6th-floor unit flows with new porcelain floors, incredible built-in storage, and a gorgeous open living and dining concept, complete with a bar area or home office, and updated kitchen. Spanning 1,595 square feet, the residence includes a laundry room, 2 balconies, 3 bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms. The Grovenor is a luxurious full-service building, including 24-hour concierge, fitness center, spa, tennis courts, kids' rec room, playground, and heated pool and jacuzzi. Space abounds in the primary suite, complete with views of the pool, a showroom quality bathroom, and walk-in closet. Let this be your vision of life.